Good morning, Acers! Today I will show you how to make this graduation balloon marquee or balloon bubble bouquet. So I made this for a moving up. I put the congratulations for her moving up, and then the smiley balloon with the graduation cup, and the 2021 for the year, and the star milers. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. Happy New Year, Acers! For the base balloon, we will be needing 12 gold balloons inflated around 8 inches. Then tie them together. Lock the two pairs of balloons together. And then use a 260Q to tie them. So this will be our base balloon. And we will be putting balloon weights on both sides. So the balloon will stand on its own. On the other side. So there's our balloon weight inside. I inflated the mylar already and inflated some small red balloons to hold the mylar. I'll tie the mylar to the balloon. And tie this to the base balloon. So it will hold the mylar in place. Twist this to lock the mylar. I inflated a small smiley balloon, which we will add later, and the star balloon. We'll be putting these elements beside the mylar. So here and here. So what I'll do, I'll just tie it with 160Q balloons to hold them together. So this will be placed here. tie the other end here. So I just attached the star and around 260Q para medyo mag-stand out lang yung congratulations. And now we'll make additional elements here. Here's the twisted balloon. So we'll just put double-sided tape to stick it. There, so we'll just put these curls. If you like to learn how to do easy 260Q curls, just watch the link. Just put double-sided tape. There, 2021. So we place the mini clusters here in front and just stick it with double-sided tape. Since it's moving up for graduation, I made cap, graduation cap, to be placed here on the smiley face. There we go. So I'll just tape it.